Welcome back to another video where we're taking a look at a case of a couple separating. There's children involved, but the mother is looking for spousal support because he has always taken care of her. But there is a plot twist, so stay tuned and let's watch.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, all right. Thank you for your patience, both of you. So this is 2024 645 DM Kelsey Daniel versus Edward Daniel. It is Wednesday, May 29th, 2024 at 8:42 a.m.
Good morning to both of you. We're here today for a scheduling conference, and that's where the court puts in place various dates and processes so that the case will proceed in an orderly fashion. First, inquire of the parties. First, Ms. Daniels, do you believe that there's any disputes that you have in this case?
What do you mean by that? Sorry,
Well,
sir.
are you arguing or fighting about anything?
Not really. Just the kids, basically. But
Okay, so there is a dispute concerning custody, parenting time, or support?
I got sole custody right now, temporary sole custody right now, because he had a head injury. So
Okay, let me ask Mr. Daniel. Mr. Daniel, do you believe that there's a dispute on those issues, custody, parenting time, or support?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, with the fact that he has stated that there's a dispute, the court will, in fact, acknowledge that, put that there is a dispute, so we will do a scheduling order. Are there any property disputes?
no.
Okay. Any disputes as it relates to spousal support?
Sir. No, sir.
Ma'am?
Kinda.
What?
I said yes. I
There
believe
is?
I should get spousal support. Yes, I believe I should be having
Okay.
spousal support
Well,
because he took care of me
I'm
for
just
many
putting,
years, and I
okay,
finally had to get a
ma'am,
job.
ma'am, I don't need the details. I just need to know if there's a dispute on those items. Okay? When we have a trial on it, that's when we'll address those particular issues.
Okay.
Any other disputes that you can think of, Miss Daniel?
No.
Mr. Edwards? I mean, Mr. Daniel?
No, sir.
Okay. What I'm going to do is give you some time for discovery, and discovery is the process whereby you can get information from the other side. If you needed income information or other information, you'd be able to get that. So what I'm going to do is, I don't know if you'll have any, I'm going to give you to July 1 to do that. So you'll have to move rather quickly if you're going to do that. And so what'll happen, that'll means mediation will be in July. Miss Daniel, is there any mediator that you're aware of that you would recommend?
No.
Okay, Mr. Daniel?
No, sir.
Okay, then the court will the mediation clerk will randomly assign a mediator in this particular matter. I will tell you there is a cost associated with mediation, and it depends on the particular mediator. So I can't tell you what it's going to cost because we simply don't know as to who gets assigned at this particular point. And if in fact you get to a point where you cannot or you don't believe that you can pay the cost of mediation, then you need to get matters resolved, or you'll have to proceed with the mediation that way. Okay, anything else that either of you have?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, what I'm going to do is set up the settlement conference date for August 5th, 2024 at 10:30 p.m. Parties are required to be present, so you will have to be here at that time. And it'll be just like this. It'll be like by Zoom, and then we'll see where we're at that point as to whether we need to set the matter for trial. So we will send you this case scheduling order. It'll go out today, actually. You should get it yet this week, if not the beginning of next week. It'll have all the dates in it that you need to pay attention to. And because some of those dates, if you don't, it'll have consequences to your case because you could miss the dates for disclosing witnesses or exhibits or things that you might need at trial. So make sure that you pay attention to those dates when you get it. Do you have any other questions, Miss Daniel?
Yes, so we're not getting a divorce today. The reason why I asked is I'm gonna have a baby any day now, and my boyfriend can't sign that birth certificate.
Nope, you will not get, we can't get divorced until we get the matters resolved. So I don't know when that'll be. It depends on when the two of you can come to an agreement and you may not be, we end up having to have trials. So I can't tell you when we'll get the matter resolved, but that's up to the two of you. And in this matter, I don't know, I don't have it in front of me because I just signed some papers on this. You have a 180-day waiting period from the time that you filed your complaint. So, and I know you're not into that. You're not past that 180 days because we're just doing the scheduling conference. We do that early. So the court legally cannot sign it until after the 180 days.
So what am I supposed to do when the baby's born then? Because it's my boyfriend's baby.
Well, what you're going to have to do, that does add a wrinkle to the thing. You're going to have to file a motion to determine the child was not issue of this marriage and a child born out of wedlock. So you're going to have to file that motion. And then we're going to end up we'll have to do a DNA test as well. And so
we're already getting it done since the baby's born, sir.
Excuse me?
We're already getting it as soon as the baby's born. We're doing it right in the hospital after it comes out.
Okay, well, that's fine.
Yep.
What we'll do is we'll just have that hearing and then you'll be able to, we'll submit the results at that time.
Okay.
Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
No.
Okay. So Ms. Daniel, when that does happen, you're going to need to file, once you get the report and that, you'll need to file your motion to determine the child is born out of wedlock.
Okay, so when I get the DNA test back, then I file or whatever.
You can file all that paperwork.
And then he'll be able to sign the birth certificate after that, once everything's like.
After we have the hearing, correct? Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you're free to go. Have a good day.
So plot twist, she's having another child any day now with another man. She's with someone else, and now she wants spousal support because she has to get a job. So this gentleman is going to be paying for both her and potentially her new boyfriend. Now, you can stick with your job. Just because he took care of you while you were together, that was a blessing. That blessing's gone. Go get a job, stay with your job, have your other boyfriend take care of you. Do not ask for spousal support when you've already moved on. If they were married, she was marrying this gentleman, spousal support would have been cut off anyways, because he's now taking care of you. Oh,